Okay, this video is going to describe your fifth field experience. For some of you, you're doing this this week, which is the week of the 19th. Others won't be doing it until next week, so depending upon which hour you're in. So please make sure that you are looking at this video at the correct time. If it's the week of the 19th, 20th, 21st, and so on, you should be doing this for hour 2. Okay, hour 3. If you're in hour 3, you should be doing the other assignment this week. So field experience number 5. For this field experience, you're going to be going out to your site. It's probably going to be kind of cold, so make sure you wear lots of warm clothes. You're going to be spending some time sitting. You might want to wear some light gloves because your hands are going to need to be out to be drawing, but wear more clothes than you expect, right? Put an extra long sleeve shirt under your sweatshirt, under your jacket. Make sure you've got a hat, make sure you've got gloves, make sure you've got warm pants, because I really want you to make sure that you feel comfortable enough to sit and do the assignment. When you get to your field site, your assignment this week is to draw your tree. Okay. Now I understand not all of you are going to feel like you are artistic enough to do that kind of thing, but I assure you that I'm looking to see that you've put some time into making a diagram. I do not need you to already be a great artist. And it's apparent when somebody puts some time into a drawing, whether they are a great artist or not. You need to spend a minimum of 10 minutes, so 10 full minutes making your diagram. It should be a full page in a notebook. Okay, so not a little, we're not making a tiny diagram like the ones shown here. You're making a full page diagram. You might not get all of your tree done. That's okay. You might tend to focus on the upper portion and get that general shape, or you might kind of get a rough outline of it and you don't have time to fill in all the details or whatever, but in 10 minutes, your tree should start to get interesting. And of course, if you want to stay and spend more time, I absolutely encourage that. It'll make it even more interesting. Once you've done drawing your tree, so you've spent 10 minutes drawing, you're going to spend some additional time observing and annotating. And I would like you to spend probably about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, just studying your tree and looking for things that you can note on your diagram. So are there parts of the tree that still have leaves? Where are they? Label them. So write little notes in the margins and draw arrows to your tree. Do you see any squirrel drays, which are these special nests, and there's a description of them down here? Are there any birds that came while you were there? If they did, note where they went. Were they at the tops of the trees, around the base of the tree, in the middle? Like, where did you see birds? How many? Don't draw the birds. Just note whether or not they came. And then, note how the texture and the color of your tree changes as you move up the tree, right? A lot of trees, they have a different kind of texture and color near the base compared to the small, thin branches at the tips and things like that. So label and describe those differences as well. When you're finished, I'd like you to take a photo from the angle that you're sitting and watching at, and then you're going to go to field experience number 5. This is the reflection, and in here the first thing I want you to do is to take the highest resolution image you can of your drawing. So really nice, clear, as big an image as possible, and insert that here. Then insert the photo you took of the tree itself, not of your drawing, but the photo of the tree, and then submit this PDF to Schoology. I hope you all enjoy your field experience this week, and I look forward to talking to you about it next week.